We're so close to hitting 5,000, guys. We're so close to hitting 5,000, guys. Yo, can't even wait. I can't even lie. Can't lie. I can't wait. Yo, jealous boys. Yeah, but I can't wait, gents. I can't even lie. There's another video coming up after this, so I'm sure this is a week maybe before I started recording the video. So by the time you guys are watching this, I'm already working on the thing. If you guys can see, it's this right here. So yeah, people have been saying that, hey brah, your headliner, hey brah, your headliner. I know, you get me. It's a work in progress. Yeah, I'm doing that right after shooting this. So yeah, you guys will have 2 videos, either one video this month, which is the POV, or another video which is going to be the headline. I'm not sure what I'm planning for November because I have assignments, but there will always be a video for you guys. So I was thinking maybe if there's no planned video for the month, we'll do POVs, because I don't want to do them too much to the point where it turns into a POV drive channel, you get me. So we'll be doing that when there's no organized or planned video for the month. Like 2 weeks into the month and there's no video, we'll do a POV. But if there's a video already planned, then that's what you guys will get. But we'll still do POVs, don't worry guys, you get me. So yeah, without any further ado, guys, let's get back into today's video. How are you guys doing? Ooh, you get me. Yeah, we're back at the usual spot. Yeah, it's always a problem here, I can't even lie. It's always a problem there, boy. Yo. As I'm saying, I don't want to finish the tires, so we'll keep it tame for the first 5 minutes of the video. Oh, now what's going on here? Yes. Oh my days. Guessing we're going straight then. First time a burnout is actually working. I'm not sure if one tire was spinning or what, but it's the first time this thing was actually working. Oh, I hate giving people the right of way, then they act slow, yo. But this car sounds too nice, guy. I can't even lie. can't even lie with you. We'll come back this way. Sure, you guys already know the route. Hope they didn't go that side, bro. Oh. Give me space, boy, please. Boy, please, boy, please, boy, please, give me space, ish. I'm get stuck behind this car for a long time now, ish. Yo, eh. Boy, hear the bass in this thing, boy. Remember I was telling you guys that I put a sub. If you don't follow my Instagram or the TikTok, it's 330i_N52. We put in a sub, I think it was last week or the week before. Put in a sub and people are saying that they want to hear how it actually sounds. But here we go. This is the inside sound of the car. Maybe later on, after we're done shooting, I'll give you guys like a little sum of what it sounds like outside. But yeah. Yo, what? Go, 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 go. Go, go. I hope you don't get copyrighted. I dead as hope you don't get copyrighted, boy. Yo. Dead as hope we don't get copyrighted. It'll be a pain if I got copyrighted. I can't even lie with you. So yeah, we won't play the song for too long, but yeah. Okay, let's change the song. Don't want to get copyrighted, I can't even lie with you. Can't even lie with you. Not a problem, we do get copyrighted, I can't even lie. But nobody wants that. So yo. Well, you can't even lie, sounds too nice. Sounds too nice, can't even lie. You get me? It sounds too nice, but you can't even lie. Find another song. Oh.
Yo, this is Bobby and you're listening to my boy, the local master, El Maestro.
Yo, Velapi. Yo, Velapi. Yo. But yeah, let's get into today's video, guys. Like, on some serious shit. Yes, let's get into today's video. We're gonna go see the sliding capabilities of my E9330R. You know, off camera, when it was raining, now this corner right here, I hit the corner, then the car spun out, and yeah, the rest is history. Can't even lie. I hit the corner, the car spun out, but it was raining and I was not recording, so that's kind of a good thing. You get me? Let's see what this car can do. Yeah, sounds like all of both the tires are spinning. Most of the time it's just one. Can't even lie, I was gonna do it here. Can't even lie. Oh, don't know why I like going out, like not to say peak traffic, but like when everybody's on the road. It's annoying. Can't even lie with you. Cause look, why are we standing still here? Like, bro, park your car on the side, man. Like, what the fuck? It's annoying as fuck. Can't even hold you. It is annoying. Yeah. Everybody look at me like a man. Everybody look at me like man. Oh, don't tell me this nigga stopped too.